The 2026 Triumph Trident 800 feels like the perfect evolution of Triumph's popular middleweight lineup. From the moment you see it, the motorcycle carries a premium British personality that blends modern styling with timeless roadster appeal. The compact LED headlight, sculpted fuel tank, muscular stance, lightweight frame, and beautifully finished bodywork create a motorcycle that looks sporty without trying too hard. It has the kind of design that catches attention whether it's parked outside a coffee shop or carving through mountain roads. Triumph has managed to build a machine that feels both elegant and aggressive, giving the Trident 800 a unique identity in the highly competitive naked bike segment. Press the starter, and the 3-cylinder engine immediately reminds you why Triumph triples have earned such a loyal following. The exhaust delivers a smooth, deep growl at idle before transforming into a thrilling, high-pitched roar as the revs climb. The engine feels incredibly refined, offering strong low-end torque for city riding while delivering exciting top-end performance when the road opens up. Twist the throttle, and acceleration comes instantly without feeling intimidating. Every gear change feels smooth, and the motorcycle responds with impressive precision, making every ride enjoyable whether you're commuting through traffic or chasing your favorite back roads on a sunny weekend. One of the biggest strengths of the 2026 Trident 800 is its balance. The lightweight chassis gives the motorcycle quick, predictable handling, allowing it to lean naturally into corners while remaining stable at highway speeds. The suspension absorbs rough pavement with confidence, giving the rider a comfortable yet sporty feel. Wide handlebars provide excellent leverage, making low-speed maneuvering effortless and fast corner transitions incredibly satisfying. The braking system delivers strong stopping power with excellent feedback, allowing riders to ride confidently without feeling nervous during aggressive braking. Everything about the motorcycle feels connected, making it easy to trust from the very first ride. Technology has also taken a significant step forward. The Trident 800 features multiple riding modes, lean-sensitive traction control, cornering ABS, cruise control, a quick shifter, and a bright full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity and navigation support. These rider aids work naturally in the background, improving safety without taking away the excitement that makes riding enjoyable. The controls are simple and intuitive, allowing riders to focus on the road instead of scrolling through complicated menus. Comfort is another area where this motorcycle shines. The upright riding position reduces fatigue during longer journeys, while the supportive seat and natural handlebar placement make daily commuting surprisingly comfortable. Wind protection is reasonable for a naked bike, and the overall ergonomics suit a wide range of rider sizes. Whether you're riding across town, exploring scenic highways, or enjoying a weekend adventure, the Trident 800 feels equally capable in every situation. Overall, the 2026 Triumph Trident 800 delivers everything riders expect from a modern middleweight naked motorcycle. It combines exciting triple-cylinder performance, premium build quality, advanced technology, agile handling, and everyday comfort into one beautifully engineered package. For riders across the United States searching for a motorcycle that's equally fun, practical, and packed with personality, the Trident 800 deserves serious consideration. It isn't simply built to get you from one destination to another. It turns every ride into an experience you look forward to repeating, proving once again why Triumph continues to build some of the most enjoyable motorcycles on the road.